If you're into vlogging or filming on the go, then the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might be something to get excited about. This tiny handheld camera is already popular because it fits right in your pocket. And now it looks like DJI is planning some big changes. Leaks are pointing toward better video features, a bigger screen, and stronger performance, all while keeping the compact style people love. The Pocket 3 was already great for casual creators, but the rumored updates for the Pocket 4 could take things to another level. From better autofocus to more detailed footage and even slow-motion upgrades. There's a lot to look forward to. What's exciting is that DJI isn't trying to completely redesign the camera. They're just making it better in smart ways that really help people who create content every day. So if you're someone who films outside or likes to travel light or just want a camera that's easy to carry but full of features, then you'll want to see what the Pocket 4 might bring. Let's dive into all the details. One of the biggest things people are talking about is the new screen. The leaks suggest a 2.5-inch OLED display, which is bigger than the one on the Pocket 3. This upgrade could make a huge difference because a bigger screen means it's easier to see what you're filming. Especially in bright sunlight, OLED also means better colors and deeper contrast, so everything just looks more vibrant. And the fact that it rotates is a big deal because now you can flip it around and frame your shot more easily. Whether you're filming yourself or something else, the screen is rumored to have a resolution of 480 by 800 with a brightness of around 800 nits. That should make it very visible even on sunny days. And for vloggers or anyone shooting on the move, this is a very welcome change. The camera body itself might be a bit larger than before. It's expected to weigh about 190 grams. That's a slight increase, but still light enough to carry around in one hand. DJI might use that extra space to give us a better grip with improved texture and more comfortable button placement. This kind of upgrade might sound small, but it can make a big difference, especially if you're filming for a long time or switching between angles quickly now when it comes to the camera. Inside the Pocket, 4 things are sounding really promising. It could include a 1-inch sensor and a 20mm f2.0 lens. This is a powerful combo because it would let more light in and create better results in low-light settings. So whether you're filming in the evening or indoors, your shots should still look clear and bright. The rumored ISO range is 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for photos, which gives more flexibility when shooting in different lighting environments. So you won't have to worry too much about setting up lights or avoiding dark spots. Video quality might also get a nice boost with 10-bit color recording and support for D-Log-M and HDR. This means better colors and more range in highlights and shadows, which is great for editing later because you'll have more control over the look of your video. Another cool thing is the rumored support for 4K video at 240 frames per second. That's double what the Pocket 3 could do, and that's perfect for slow-motion clips, whether it's action scenes or just creative shots where you want to capture every detail. A new processor might also be part of the upgrade, which would help the camera work faster and more efficiently. This could mean quicker previews, smoother performance, and better image processing in real time. For creators who need speed and quality, this would be a huge help. Autofocus might finally get a major improvement too, with leaks pointing to phase detect autofocus and even eye tracking. This means the camera can follow faces and keep the focus locked on even if you move around a lot. And if DJI upgrades the active track system to version 7.0, we might see even better tracking for subjects like pets, kids, or sports battery life. Could also be getting a boost with possible recording times of up to 200 minutes. That's quite a jump from before. And with faster charging rumored at just 25 minutes for a full charge, you won't be stuck waiting around, which is great for people on tight shooting schedules. Better heat management is also being talked about, which could mean fewer overheating problems during long sessions. And for stabilization, DJI is likely combining mechanical 3-axis systems with better electronic stabilization to deliver even smoother footage. This is a big deal for handheld shooting, especially when walking or filming action scenes. So even though none of this is confirmed yet, these rumors point toward a solid upgrade that keeps everything people love about the Pocket series while making it stronger, faster, and easier to use for vloggers and content creators. This might be one of the best compact cameras to look forward to this year. So there you have it. Those are all the most exciting rumors about the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. If these upgrades turn out to be true, then we might be looking at a really powerful little camera that's perfect for creators on the go. Whether you care about better video quality, stronger autofocus, or longer battery life, this camera seems to have something for everyone. The rotating OLED screen alone could make filming so much easier, especially if you're a solo creator who needs to see yourself while filming, and if the slow motion upgrade really does go up to 4K at 240 frames per second, then that could open up some awesome creative options for your videos. DJI seems to be focusing on the right things, like keeping it compact while upgrading the performance in smart and useful ways. This is the kind of camera that fits in your pocket, but still delivers the kind of footage you'd expect from bigger gear. What do you think about all these leaks? Are you excited for the Pocket 4? Do you think these upgrades are worth the wait? Let us know what features you're most interested in down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, then make sure to like and subscribe to Factic for more updates and tech talk. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.